xgames.com, 6-time gold medalist, fine son of England. And there's Kevin Robinson, who's won this event twice, but Robinson comes in on a bad wheel. For more on that, we send it down to Kier.
Yes, talked to Kevin earlier. He told us that he got a shot in his feet of lidocaine to help numb the pain, but he did just see his wife, who had just flown in, so he's all smiles and ready to go.
Well, a little love, a little lidocaine goes a long way. That's his doctor just to the right of his wife, Dr. Chao. So he's in good shape for a guy who's on a very bad ankle. I wish we could say he hurt himself riding his bike, but he was tree trimming and fell off a ladder and dislocated his ankle. No lie.
Yeah, not the most dangerous thing this guy does. Big backflip, carrying lots of speed into the quarter.
Oh, huge! That is ridiculous.
Huge flare up close to the 20-foot mark.
We got to see this replay. But I think he traveled like almost alley-oop to get extra speed. Am I mistaken? Did he travel side to side when he
wanted to land? I think really. He likes to land really close to rider's left, so we can get a nice big carve on his flare, like Robin right there.
And look where he's taking off, and look where he lands. That's completely he traveling sideways. That's
huge transfer, so he could get the carve on the flare. Try to keep it nice and safe. He is psyched on that.
Yeah, you could have put a big hole in the deck, and he could have transferred from ramp to ramp.
Dennis, what is that like? I mean, well, I've never seen Kevin practice that. That's the first time I've seen him do a giant transfer like that.
Swerve a little bit to line up, but yeah, that was completely sideways. So that's where the experience of riding comes in, and he owns skate parks and rides all kinds of disciplines.
He's saying
that's good. My husband's safe. Pulled it clean.
Mrs. Robinson, loving it. Kier Dillon is with him.
All right, Sal. So Kevin, throwing it down, 20-foot flare there. How's the ankle holding up?
You know, it's doing actually all right. I'm really surprised. I'm just kind of trying to block out the pain. So, yeah, I'm just having a good time. My wife just got here, so my day's great.
Big smiles. In second place, a good start. Sal, back to you.
When you shout out the wife right after your second place run, huge kudo points for you, Kevin Robinson.
Yeah.
That's going to score him big. Hopefully he'll be able to carry that momentum to get himself back up into the top spot.
Feeling good. Kevin right off the ramp into the arms of Robin. And that is her name, Robin Robinson, by the way.
And now, one man, one run, Chad Kagi.
It's kind of a nice ending, huh? Last year, gold medalist is in silver, trying to go for gold.
Trying to beat the guy who's already got 2 golds in this event.
Well, maybe he'll be able to play Bob Burnquist of 2007 and 2006 and take out Kevin Robinson right now, but it's going to take something big.
I think he's going to probably stick with what he's got so far. Flip whip over the 70 to his version of a 540 tail whip.
Here he goes.
That's what won it last year. We'll see what he's got. Flip flip gets it clean.
Oh. Wow.
Well, hey, at least he landed safe. That was huge.
And we know what that means.
That means, yeah,
3 times.
Gets his 3rd gold medal in big air. The man who almost lost his ankle, chopping off a limb of a tree with a chainsaw a couple weeks ago, dislocates the ankle. Here he is now with a gold medal.
What a great ending. I want to tell Kevin, I have an awesome ladder. You could have borrowed it, but you came through anyway.
I think there's a really high degree of chance that ladder is in 1 billion pieces right now.
Yeah, this is
Wife Robin, super happy. Jeez, he really came into this event thinking with an injury, didn't quite have what it would take to win, because he knows what Dave and Chad
He was
have.
off along Cassidy all week.
Picture perfect. No-handed flip over the long gap. Perfect landing. And then
Watch
just
the height.
Look at that. Giant.
Kier Dillon is with our winner. Kier.
All right, Sal. Kevin, just a month ago, dislocating your ankle took 7 hours to put it back in. How were you able to ride tonight?
Thanks to my best buddy and Dr. Chao. He takes good care of me. So I have this really gnarly brace on my ankle, and just babying it and getting out here and just kind of, you got to learn how to shut off the pain sometimes. And, you know, 3 weeks ago I had an infection in it after the surgery, and I didn't think I was going to even be walking. So I'm happy just to be out here riding.
Well, you're definitely doing more than walking. With 3 gold medals in this event with your wife here, what's this mean to you?
That means, I'm going to get all choked up, you know. That means the most is that my wife got here just in time. We got her on a plane. She flew out today, and she got here just in the nick of time, and that made my day. I'm the happiest man on the planet right now with her being here.
The mega ramp seems like the place for progression. We saw Anthony Napolitan throw the double front flip. Where do you see the sport going?
Oh, man, that double front flip was one of the best tricks I've ever witnessed in BMX. You know, he didn't do it for the first time on some street ramp or something. He did it at the mega ramp, you know, and that's amazing. It's huge, and I give Anthony all the props. That's definitely you're gonna be seeing that a lot in some videos and on TV. It was amazing.
Definitely on the Sports Center highlights. Sal, an amazing night. Back to you, buddy.
Love conquering all for Kevin Robinson.
Hi, Kev. Hi, Shay.
Amazing night. And we're not even done yet. This guy's had 32 surgeries on his body, and his reward, a gold medal in Big Air.